Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna make health bar. So before the video I created some stuffs here. As you can see, here's my enemy, it's a capsule. And I also created a ground, which is just a cube. I adjust the size of it. And here's our button inside of the canvas, which is gonna help to decrease our enemy health. When we click it, it's supposed to decrease our enemy's health. So let's go to enemy object and let's create a health bar script. And actually I'm going to add our health bar script inside of our folder script. So we don't need start and update function. So I'm gonna create health bar integer with serialized field. And just one public function, which I'm going to call hurts enemy. Inside of hurts enemy, we are decreasing our enemy's health. And when health is equal to or less than 0, it destroys enemy object. Now let's call an event in our button, and I'm gonna drag enemy to on click, and I'm gonna call hurts enemy function. Let's play the Unity and let's see what happens. As you can see in inspector of player, when I click on punch button, it decreases enemy's health. And when it reaches 0, it destroys. Perfect. So let's create another UI image, and it's gonna be our health bar. Another important thing to do in our fill image, we have to add a sprite, otherwise it's not gonna work. When I'm saying it's not gonna work, I mean we're not able to see image type inside of the fill image. Now let's click on image type, and instead of slice, we're gonna choose filled, and fill method will be horizontal. Our health bar is ready, so let's go back to Visual Studio and make some modification inside of our code. The first thing we should do to declare Unity engine.ui in top of our code, and then I'm gonna create image variable and I'm gonna call fill image. Inside of hurts enemy function, fill image dot fill amount will be equal to our health divided by 5. To make our health bar work, we have to change our health variable to float. And let's get back to Unity and let's play, see what happens. Yes, as you can see, when I click on punch button, our health bar changes. Perfect, our health bar is completely ready. But the last thing I want to show you, why did I write 5 inside of our code? So because our health is equal to 5. But on the other case, if our health, let's say, equal to 7, then we're gonna divide the 7.
Face in your face.